After I wrote about a single increase which I called TWINCREASE, I received comments that it is not a new increase. One knitter sent me existing instructions. However, what she sent was actually a double increase made from double over. In this short video, I will demonstrate both increases. For the double increase in preparatory row, we are making 2 yarn overs. In the next row, we work them twisted, one twisted to the left, another twisted to the right. These instructions are from the Encyclopedia of Knitting Techniques by Leslie Stanfield and Melody Griffiths. There's a link to the book below. The same double increase can be made quicker using TWINCREASE method. The full instructions are in the other video. The link is below. For TWINCREASE, we work in preparatory row stitch with a double wrap. In the next row, we work this long stitch using TWINCREASE technique. There is some similarity between these increases, but there are very subtle differences between them. TWINCREASE is a single increase, while the TWINOVER is a double increase. TWINCREASE is made from one stitch, while TWINOVER is made from 2 yarn overs between 2 stitches. TWINCREASE is pretty even and can't immediately be spotted. It is well disguised between other stitches. However, TWINOVER results in a hole which is very noticeable. TWINCREASE and TWINOVER are 2 different non-identical increases.